At first glance, it looks like a normal Toyota van, but inside it hides a fully functional motorhome designed for an entire family. Most motorhomes are huge and difficult to drive, but this compact camper built on a Toyota Hiace is trying to change that completely. At just 4.8 meters long, it's small enough to drive like a van, yet somehow it packs beds, a kitchen, storage, and living space for 4 people inside. And that's exactly why this small Toyota-based camper might be one of the smartest compact motorhome designs ever built. The first thing you notice about the Funluce Ural Asia is its compact yet highly functional exterior. Built on the Toyota Hiace long van chassis, it measures 4,825 millimeters long, 1,920 millimeters wide, and 2,690 millimeters high. That means it handles like a regular van. Despite its small footprint, the camper doesn't compromise on interior space. Its cab-over design, the section that extends above the driver's cabin, adds extra room without increasing the overall length. This overcab bank section also improves weight distribution between the front and rear axles, which helps stability when driving at highway speeds or cornering. Unlike taller, boxy campers, this design reduces air resistance, keeping fuel consumption lower and the drive smoother. The body itself isn't just a van with a pop-top. It uses a steel space frame with a multi-layer insulated shell, which provides safety and temperature control. That insulation keeps the cabin cool during summer and warm during winter, a critical factor for travelers who want year-round comfort. Access to the camper happens through a side entry door, which often features an integrated step for easy entry and exit. Above this door, an LED porch light illuminates the entry area at night, making late arrivals safer and more convenient. Windows play a key role in the camper's design. The Ural Asia features multiple acrylic double-glazed windows along both sides of the body. These windows not only provide excellent insulation and noise reduction, but also bring in plenty of natural light. They create a sense of openness, making the interior feel larger than it actually is. Many of these windows also include integrated shades for privacy or sun control. At the rear of the vehicle, a large hatch opens upward, revealing a spacious underbed storage area. This garage space is highly versatile. Remove the interior bed mats and it can fit tall items like bicycles, camping chairs, or other bulky gear. It's also where the freshwater and wastewater tanks are housed, which allows you to fill or drain them without crawling under the vehicle or entering the interior. On the right side of the camper, the external condenser for the optional residential-style air conditioner is mounted. This placement is intentional. In Japan, road drainage and slush tend to accumulate on the left side. By placing the unit on the right, it avoids exposure to salt and debris, extending the life of the AC system. The camper also includes a standard shore power input for connecting to campsite electricity, powering appliances directly, or charging the onboard batteries. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how open the interior feels. The main living area revolves around a face-to-face dinette, which serves as the hub for meals, socializing, or work. 2 bench seats face each other across a table, and the area can comfortably accommodate multiple passengers. Large panoramic windows surround the dinette, bringing in natural light and offering views of the surroundings. At night, the table lowers and the cushions rearrange to form a sofa bed measuring 1,750 millimeters by 950 millimeters, suitable for children or a single adult. This conversion is simple and fast, keeping the living space flexible. The main sleeping area is located at the rear of the camper. A permanent double bed measuring 1,820 millimeters by 1,200 millimeters sits above the rear storage garage. This placement maximizes vertical space while providing comfortable sleeping height. Adults typically use this bed, while children can sleep in the converted dinette bed. The cab-over bank above the driver's cabin is versatile. While some larger campers use this space as a full sleeping loft, in the Ural Asia it's often used for storage, keeping bedding, bags, or travel gear neatly out of the way while still accessible. Depending on your setup, it can also accommodate a child for sleeping, adding extra flexibility. The kitchen area is compact but surprisingly functional. It includes a sink connected to a freshwater tank and a 40-liter refrigerator with freezer capability. Some versions also include a microwave for additional cooking options. The placement of the kitchen allows easy access from the main living area without obstructing movement through the camper. The water system includes separate tanks for freshwater and wastewater. The rear hatch provides external access for filling and draining, which keeps indoor operations clean and simple. This system allows independent off-grid operation for several days, depending on your usage. Climate control in the Ural Asia is impressive for a camper this size. Many models come with a residential-style air conditioner mounted above the entry door, supported by a 300Ah battery setup and 245W roof-mounted solar panels. This setup allows you to run the AC and other appliances even when off-grid. In colder weather, an FF heater keeps the interior warm. Combined with the insulated shell, this ensures comfortable conditions year-round. Lighting is handled by modern LED fixtures, which provide bright, energy-efficient illumination. Many interiors also include mood lighting, adding a soft glow for evenings and creating a cozy atmosphere. Overhead cabinets, seat compartments, and the rear garage provide ample storage, keeping the living area uncluttered even on extended trips. The interior materials are designed to be both functional and visually appealing. Recent models feature brown-tone furniture finishes and upgraded seat fabrics, giving the cabin a modern, warm look. The open layout improves movement, ventilation, and accessibility throughout the camper, making it feel far larger than its dimensions suggest. When it comes to travel, the Funluce Ural Asia can seat up to 6 people safely, with seat belts integrated into the dinette seating. Once parked, these same seats convert into living and sleeping areas, maximizing utility. Its small size makes it easy to maneuver in urban environments, narrow roads, or small campsites, yet the interior remains spacious enough for family life. Fuel efficiency is another advantage of the compact design. The 2.8-liter diesel engine produces 151 horsepower and offers sufficient torque to climb hills while carrying passengers and gear. Four-wheel drive versions provide additional confidence on rough terrain or snowy roads, making this camper suitable for both urban and off-grid adventures. From a cost perspective, new Funluce Ural Asia campers historically start around 5,380,000 Japanese yen, while used models from 2022 to 2023 have been listed around 9,600,000 to 9,877,000 yen. Compared with larger RVs, this price reflects a balance between compact size, high-quality construction, and fully integrated amenities. What truly sets this camper apart is its balance between compact size and full functionality. Many small campers compromise on comfort to stay manageable, while larger campers provide space, but become difficult to drive. The Ural Asia manages both, small enough to drive and park easily, yet fully equipped with living, sleeping, and cooking spaces for a family. Families with 2 adults and 2 children can live comfortably for days. The adults use the rear bed, while children sleep in the dinette bed. During the day, all spaces convert back into a spacious living area. The absence of a dedicated bathroom might seem like a drawback, but in practice, many Japanese and European campers rely on campsite facilities, making the interior feel larger and more open. The Funluce Ural Asia proves that a compact van can function as a full motorhome. With clever use of the cab-over section, rear storage garage, open layout, and modern appliances, it turns just under 5 meters of van space into a complete travel home. Its construction on the Toyota Hiace platform adds reliability and accessibility. Parts are widely available, maintenance is straightforward, and the driving experience is familiar to anyone who has operated a van. This makes long-distance travel less stressful compared with specialized motorhome chassis. In practical terms, this camper is for people who want freedom, comfort, and functionality without driving a massive vehicle. It's compact enough for everyday roads, yet fully capable of serving as a mobile home for family adventures. Small enough to park in urban areas, yet comfortable enough for extended trips. Every design choice, from the steel frame and insulated shell to the solar-supported battery system, focuses on maximizing living space without making the vehicle oversized. The result is a camper that feels far larger than it is, giving families the benefits of a motorhome without the burdens of driving a full-sized RV. In short, the Funluce Ural Asia is proof that small campers don't have to compromise. Compact yet functional, easy to drive yet spacious inside, and smartly designed to meet the real needs of family travelers, it's a standout in the world of compact motorhomes. For anyone looking for a practical, maneuverable, and fully equipped family camper, this Toyota-based Ural Asia shows that sometimes the best motorhomes come in the smallest packages.